Hello, good people. This is Sherry, and I'm going to show you how I make a couple of pair of earrings using my shape templates. I have these in my Shopify store, and you will be able to find a link to these. Now, I have these in large and small. I'm going to be working with a small one and then later a large one. I'm going to make a double-sided earring here. I have my purple leather and my purple and black fabric. I'm going to go ahead and get my white glue, and I'm going to use that to attach the fabric to the leather and then cut it out and assemble my earrings. These templates are really handy, especially if you don't have any kind of cutting machine or laser. These give you nice shapes. Now I take my shape template and I just trace my design onto my material. And that way I can cut it out an even shape. The templates are see-through so that if you want to place your pattern on a particular part of your fabric, you can do that. So here are your beautifully cut, shaped pieces that are ready to be made into earrings. I'm using purchased hoops to make it really, really easy. All you need to do is put your hole in your material and then slide it onto the hoop, and voila, you have a reversible earring. And here they are. You just slide them on whichever way you want to wear them. And, you have something unique. Now, these are the leather packets that I have. It's 10 different vibrant colors. And these are also on my website. The pieces are 6 by 10 inches. Now, these are my most popular earrings that are made with my shape templates. I'll show you the shape template that I use to make these earrings. And these are I call them teardrop hoops. This is the 6-inch long template, and you just trace it on your material, cut it out, fold it, and apply your hardware, and you have a pair of unique and beautiful teardrop hoop earrings. These are examples of how the leather looks when it's cut in the shape of the templates. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I have lots of videos, so if you're new here, subscribe. I'm Sherry, owner and designer for Sherika Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we help you create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.